Express cargo service, door-to-door cargo service from USA to Pakistan. A globe spins, zooming in on the USA and Pakistan, with planes and ships moving between them. Introducing Express Cargo Service, your premier door-to-door cargo service, connecting the USA to Pakistan like never before. A bustling American city, parcels being prepared for shipment. Whether it's commercial goods or household items, Express Cargo Service offers seamless delivery from the heart of the USA directly to your doorstep in Pakistan. Parcels transitioning from trucks to airplanes and ships, showcasing air and sea routes. Choose our air service for the fastest delivery of your urgent shipments. Or, opt for our economical sea freight for larger, less time-sensitive packages. A happy family in Pakistan receiving their package. Our comprehensive service covers everything from expert packing, secure transit, to customs clearance. Ensuring your goods arrive safely, on time, and without hassle. Express Cargo Service, connecting lives, bridging distance. Contact us today to experience hassle-free shipping from the USA to Pakistan. Call US +92333 3211 151, WhatsApp +92321 3893 692, website www.expresscargoservice site